Hi guys, today we have come to eat the shawarma from the Dave, typically Rumali thing. Yeah, I'll show you when I get it. Keep it bill. Wait, I got it. Three shawarma guys for all three of us. We've taken the shawarma from the Dave, so I'm gonna have it and review how is the shawarma actually. So let me just take a bite, guys. I must say, it is very nice. The chicken inside is very crispy, and the taste, I can't tell you it. The taste is very good. Um, Let me ask Josh, how is it for him?
So yeah, guys, size review was good. Let me tell you my review. So delicious. The chicken is roasted well. I'm really not able to speak. I'm out of words, guys. But OG Squad, you really need to try the shawarma. It's really good at this place.
But I gave my review. Syed gave his review. Let's ask Ryan about this. Ryan, shawarma कैसा है भाई?
भाई बोल रहा हूँ मुंह में जाएंगे बोलता हूँ वाह माशाल्लाह
अच्छा आ रहा है
जबरदस्त है
जबरदस्त है नहीं कहाँ का बोलो
ये देख पने
देख
नाली देख
कम्युनिटी देख
अच्छा है
Guys, if you want to have this wonderful shawarma, you need to come to Kamanahalli, Bangalore, and come to Deg and take it, especially with the Rumali roti, guys. Yeah.
Ask him for the spicy shawarma. That's the one you have to try.
Thank you so much, Josh. Thank you for your review, and thank you, guys.
OG Squad, I really hope you like all these videos that we are posting out for you. We are doing our heart best to give the better content for you guys so that you can entertain yourself. You can learn as well from these videos.
तो guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड
हमारा फिर बोले लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट भी कीजिए और प्लीज 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 फॉलो वन गो दी ओजी.
This is Joshua signing off from One Go The OG.